Hi friends, welcome to GK Plus. This is the second part of GK repeated questions. So let's get going. Going to first question. Governor is appointed by the answer B. President. Here, Chief Justice of India and Chief Justice of the concerned state of High Court are appointed by President. Moving to second question. My Passage from India is a book authored by answer B. Ismail Merchant. Ismail Merchant was an Indian film producer, director and screenwriter also. Moving to third question. Coolie is a famous work of answer Mulkraj Anand. He was an Indian writer in English. Moving to fourth question. This personality is credited with the invention of email. Can you identify him from the given? Answer C. Ray Tomlinson. Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the inventors of Google. John McCarthy is the founder of artificial intelligence. Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of WWW, that is World Wide Web. Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce are the inventors of integrated chip IC. Moving to fifth question. When did the second roundtable conference took place? Answer D. 1931. Here, what is the importance of 1915? Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. 1922, Chowri Chowra incident. 1928, Simon Commission arrived in British India. 3 roundtable conferences organized to discuss constitutional reforms in India. All these were held in London from 1930 to 1932. One more point. Mahatma Gandhi attended the second roundtable conference. Moving to sixth question. Ansett is the name of the domestic airline of which of the following countries? Answer D. Australia. Moving to seventh question. Metals which chemically behave both as metals and non-metals is called. Answer B. Metalloids. Here the examples of metalloids are given: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium. Examples of alloys: amalgam, brass, bronze, duralumin. Chalcogens. Chalcogens are the chemical elements of group 16 of periodic table. Meaning of that word, it's a Greek word. The meaning is ore forming. Examples are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Moving to 8th question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with a financial emergency? Answer is C. Article 360. Here we should know that Article 352, the provision of national emergency. Article 356, state emergency. And the most important one, Article 370. Article 370 gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir in terms of autonomy and its ability to formulate laws for the state's permanent residents. But on 5th August 2019, the President of India promulgated the Constitution Order 2019. The order effectively abrogates the special status accorded to Jammu and Kashmir under the provision of Article 370. According to the order, provisions of Indian Constitution are now applicable in the state. A separate bill, Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019, was introduced. This is an important point for competitive examinations. Moving to ninth question. The largest river in terms of volume of water it carries. Answer C. Amazon. Amazon is the largest river by volume. Nile, it is the longest river in the world. Its length is 6,650 kilometers. Yangtze, longest river in Asia. Its length is 6,300 kilometers. Mississippi, Missouri, fourth longest river. Its length 6,274 kilometers. Moving to 10th question. Manas Tiger Sanctuary is in. Answer B. Assam. Manas National Park, UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a project tiger reserve in Assam. Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffalo. Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam is the largest tiger reserve in India. Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam is the largest tiger reserve in India. There are 51 tiger reserves in India which are governed by Project Tiger, which is administered by National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA. Moving to 11th question. Panini was. Answer C. A Sanskrit grammarian of Vedic times. Moving to 12th question. Mein Kampf is authored by. Answer C. Adolf Hitler. Mein Kampf is a autobiographical manifesto by Adolf Hitler. Moving to 13th question. Which of the following is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world? Answer C. Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world ocean basins. Pacific covering 63 million square miles, containing more than half of the free water on Earth. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's oceans, covers 20% of Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface. Indian Ocean is the third largest of world oceans. Moving to 14th question. The capital of Greece is. Answer Athens. Here Athens is the capital of Greece. Warsaw is the capital of Poland. Oslo is the capital of Norway. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Moving to 15th question. Which Indian state has the least literacy rate? Answer C. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has a literacy rate of 66.4%, according to a study by the National Statistical Office conducted between July 2017 and June 2018. But as per last census conducted in 2011, Bihar was the least literal state. Highest literacy state Kerala 96.2%. India's literacy rate 77.7%. International Literacy Day is an important one, September 8. Moving to 16th question. SAARC was formed in. Answer 1985. SAARC, the South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, was created in 1985 as an expression of the region's collective decision to evolve regional cooperative framework. Its headquarters, Kathmandu, Nepal. Secretary General, Esla Virakun. Its members, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Maldives. Moving to 17th question. Which of the following is not the member of the European Union? Answer C. Norway. Norway is not the member of European Union. European Union is a political and economical union of 27 member states that are located primarily in Europe. Its headquarters, Brussels, Belgium. 18th question. ASEAN is headquartered at. Headquarters of ASEAN. Answer C. Jakarta, Indonesia. Headquarters of ASEAN, Jakarta. Headquarters of UN, New York City. Headquarters of UNICEF, that's also New York City. Headquarters of UNESCO, Paris. Headquarters of WHO, means World Health Organization, Geneva. APEC, Singapore. GCC countries, Riyadh. Headquarters of World Bank, Washington DC. Headquarters of ADB, Asian Development Bank, Metro Manila. Headquarters of IMF, Washington DC. Moving to 19th question. This river was also called as the Ganges of South. Name the river from the given options. Answer A. Godavari. The second longest river, Godavari, is called Dakshin Ganga or the Ganga of South. The starting point of Godavari is from Triambakeshwar, Maharashtra, and its end into Bay of Bengal. The length of Godavari is 1465 km. Moving to last question, 20th question. Which Indian state is inhabited by Jaintia tribes? Answer D. Meghalaya. The state Meghalaya comprises Kashi, Garo, Jaintia hills. The scheduled tribe population constitute 85.53% of total population. Garos inhabit Western Meghalaya, Kashis Central Meghalaya, Jaintias Eastern Meghalaya. Thank you, friends.